Hi again, it's Thursday and time for Juicy Grammar with Stephen. Last time we compared things. Look, the elephant's cute. Yep. The mouse is cuter. Yeah. But Douglas, you are the cutest dog I've ever seen. And that's today's theme. The longest, the shortest, and the cutest. I'll put Douglas down here. Now last time we looked at the word long, and if you want to compare two things together you can use the ER form on long, so the snake is longer. But if you want to compare more than two things, then we often add the letters EST afterwards. So this snake is the longest. So, long, longer, the longest. Short, short, shorter, and the shortest. What about intelligent? Intelligent. If you remember back to last week, intelligent is more than two. So we have to say the word more in front. More intelligent. And the superlative, we have to say the most intelligent. So if the word is short, we add EST. If the word is longer, has more syllables, then we have to use the word the most. Okay, let's finish off by looking at a picture of some of my friends. Al, Joe, and Ed. Al's 27 years old. Joe is 53 years old. And Ed, he's 46. So we can say Al is younger than Ed, and he's also younger than Joe. So Al is the youngest. If you look at Joe, Joe is older than Ed, and he's older than Al, so Joe is the oldest. Which of the three men is the tallest? You try. Is it Al, Joe, or Ed? Yes, that's correct. Ed is the tallest. Look at the three friends again. Which one is the smartest? I know Ed is quite casual. Joe is quite smart. He's smarter. But look at Al. He's the smartest. Perhaps he's also the most intelligent. Who knows? Okay, that's enough for today. See you next time on Juicy Grammar with Stephen.